वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. My name is Jasdeep Kaur. People know me by the name of Kenny Gogia also. I am a career counselor, well-being coach and a public speaker. Today's morning Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar is by Shri Guru Arjan Dev Ji in Raag Tanasri Ang 676 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. पढ़ते हैं, समझते हैं, फिर अपनी ज़िंदगी विच अमल करते हैं. सतनाम श्री वाहिगुरु साहिब जी. तनासरी महला पंजवा. मोहे मस्कीन प्रभ नाम अदार, खाटण को हर हर रोजगार, संचण को हर एक को नाम, हलत पलत ताके आवे काम, नाम रते प्रभ रंग अपार, साध गावे गुण एक निरंकार रहाओ. Which means for me as humble devotee, only divine Naam is support. Hari Naam is my earning resource too. Even for collection, only Naam is there. It's useful to those who earn it, both in this world and thereafter. Imbued with divine love, saints sing the glorious praises of the formless Lord God. Now let's relate this with our day-to-day life so that we can implement it today. Given the choice, what would you choose? The Creator or the materialistic things, the worldly pleasures, all that luxuries which this world has to offer us? Obviously, these luxuries are important, but who has created this? Of course, the Creator. So what would you choose? I think most of us, I think all of us would choose the Creator. Now, once you have chosen the Creator, what is one thing that you need to be focusing on? What does this Creator want? Actually, Creator wants that we must take the charge of our own destiny. We must take the charge of our own life. And how is that possible? That is possible by aligning our thoughts, emotions and energies to manifest what do we exactly want. So that's why we need to take the charge of our mind by taking the Naam, by practicing the Naam, by doing the sadhana, so that we create miracles rather than we manufacture the miseries of life. अगर ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾਮ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ 네ਗੇਟਿਵ ਥਾਟਸ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਘਟ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਔਰ ਇੱਕ ਟਾਈਮ ਆਏਗਾ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਖਤਮ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ. But it comes after lots and lots of practice. Now all of us want to be successful in life, but success gain karan vaste we need to look at that what is the most important ingredient that is required to attain the success. That is ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੇ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ. ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਵਿਸ਼ਵਾਸ ਕਦੋਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ? ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ Almighty ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਕਨੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਸਟਰੋਂਗ ਹੋਵੇ. We believe in that Creator, ਇੱਕ ਓਮਕਾਰ, He has created everything and we need to have strong connection with that Creator. So ਅੱਜ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ that ਦੇਖੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡੀਆਂ ਚੋਇਸਿਸ ਕੀ ਨੇ. What do you want to choose? Once you have strong connection with the Creator and at the same time you take the relevant action, then things start happening in your life. So आज इस चीज़ ਨੂੰ just introspect करो that what I have told you, that ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਪਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਹੁਕਮਨਾਮੇ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਪਲੀਮੈਂਟ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਲਾਈਫ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਟਰਾਂਸਫਾਰਮ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ. ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਕਟਿਸ ਕਰੋ. then let me know what did you experience. take care, be balanced, be happy. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ.